You have to get loud and you have to get proud. 5 ways to become the leading company in your area. You want to be the very best that you can be for your company. And how does that happen? Well, number one, who knows about your company if you're not getting loud? So number one, your first step when it comes to people knowing who you are, what you do, what you're about, who you service, what services you have, is you have to get loud and you have to get proud, right? So many of us don't want to be on camera. We're like, oh, I don't want to be doing this all the time. And, you might not like the way you look or whatever. My generation, we were taught that if we were constantly like this, we were being vain. And so it's like a mind shift you have to have. So you have to get loud, get proud about what your business does. Why does your business exist? Model My Home exists to do what, Jennifer?
To change lives one property at a time.
Boom, boom, boom. She had it. You know why Jennifer can just roll this off of her tongue? Because every morning we have a morning alignment with our home staging team. And every morning we remind our team members why we exist. So we call out our mottos every morning. And so our teams go into the field so that they can be loud and proud. If somebody says, hey, what do you do while they're getting gas or, outside of a property? Hey, what do you do? They know because they hear it and they shout it very loud every morning. If you are here with us, please hit that share button. Share this with your friends, your family, your coworkers, somebody you know right now who could possibly be struggling in their business, because guess what? HSRA exists to build businesses and leaders. And we come on here every single Wednesday to give you some motivation, some business tips, some encouragement, and honestly, just to push you a little bit so you can get to that next level in your business.